Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and yeah, this Wilka or Wilka lock from Germany, it's one of those really annoying locks. Annoying for a couple of reasons. One, that they have got these crimped circlip things on there. I don't know how they do this, but it just means that it's not really possible to gut unless you break the circlips off. So that's the first annoying thing. The other annoying thing is they are just evil in terms of their bittings with their super low cuts and super high cuts, and this sort of high to low to high configuration of that bitting just makes it a really hard pick. So to approach this, I've got a 23 thousandths of an inch short hook and a 18 thousandths, a bit more whippy as you can see, deep hook, which should allow me to get through that lock. So we are in the vise. I've got some focus lock on here, so that should help. Key works depressingly nicely. Going to start out with that short hook and a top of the keyway turner made out of a piece of bent wiper blade. Just go up here. We're going to be using the keyway with these thin shanks to go up and around where needed. Quite firm tension to begin with. Pin 2, here's binding. Nice click. Okay, good. We're going to go to a deeper hook now. Let's see where we get to. Pin 4 is here, binding. Nice click out of that. 5, nothing. 6, nothing. Okay, back through. Pin 1, 2, 3. Anything on 3? Nice little click. 4, nothing on 5. 6, I think it's binding now. 6. So let's check through. Anything on 1? 1 feels like it's binding. Going to swap over to a thicker short hook just because it's hard to get stability on this pin to pick it, I find. And we got it. Okay, back through. Let's see where we are. Nothing on 6, 5, and we have that open. There we go, all the way around. Very nice. So hard to say. It's actually a genuinely difficult pick because of the way that these pins, they sit so high up in the keyway. That bitting, it's a bit of a struggle, but it didn't feel like it had any spools in or anything like that. Just a good quality lock with an annoying bitting. Sometimes that's all you need. So there you go. That's a surprisingly tricky and quite annoying Wilka Z1463 Euro cylinder. A good example of where you don't necessarily need spool pins, because I didn't feel any spool pins to make a hard lock. You just need a good bitting. The fact that these pins sit high in the keyway really sort of helps it out. Great tolerances. It just is a good quality solid lock, even though it has those standard pins. Anyway, look, if you like this video, please drop me a like. It really helps me out. If you have any comments about this lock, especially Wilka locks in general and their really good bittings, let me know down below your stories. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. If you want to see more content like this, of course, absolutely subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. It's a great time to do so. Lots of good content coming out, and of course I'll see you all next time.